Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces, and if you are in no communication with a specific someone, you guys broke up or something happened that made you part ways. You really want to know if this person will come back to you, then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. We will take oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And if you want to know whether your person is going to come back to you, then this reading is going to get you the answer. But before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating with you in your situation and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily reads. So fishies, let's get started. Let's find out whoever it is that you are waiting for, you want them to come back. Let's find out, will they come back to you, yes or no? Let's begin. Four of Swords, they are not completely off you right now. Like, it's more like, maybe they are not talking to you, maybe they are not like in communication with you. You have parted ways, you have disconnected each other from each other, but then there is something which is still connecting them to you. It can be a soul connection, it can be a feeling from deep within, which is like, still make them feel connected to you in one way or the other. Maybe the people in their life also talks about you as well, especially if they know you. So there is some sort of like, something happening in them which makes them think of you, which reminds them of you as well. So I feel like, this person is definitely thinking about you, thinking about everything that they had to do with you in the past. Maybe they are trying to figure out if they can make things work with you or not. But yes, they are definitely thinking about you. Let's see, will they come back to you, yes or no? It seems like, they need a lot of courage to do so, to come back to you. Now, why is that energy showing up? I have no idea, but that's what it's showing. They need to maybe take stand for you, or maybe they don't have approval of their family with being with you. So there is something like a strong decision that they will have to take if they choose to come back to you. So maybe they are trying to think about it, they are trying to feel like, what can be done in this situation so they can have a reconciliation with you, so they could come back to you. You and this person are pretty much on the same page. You both want the reconciliation equally, mutually, badly, but then there are certain things which need some sort of this person needs some sort of strength to take that decision. Maybe they have already a lot on their plate to deal with right now. Maybe that's the reason why they find like, maybe I cannot give enough time to that person, that relationship with you. So maybe they are trying to, restrict themselves. But deep down, they feel exactly how you feel for them. So I believe there will be some sort of a reconciliation coming in. This person cannot stay away from you. Even if they are apart, they are still with you, connected in on a deeper level. They might have this feeling that they belong to you as well. Maybe they always picture their future self having you in their life. That can be the case for some of you as well, especially if you are exactly feeling the same way. Let's take more cards. Queen of Pentacles. They do think about you as a future person sometimes, but there is something which is still the reason why they are not making an effort towards you or towards this connection. They are considering the prospects, the possibilities within this connection, and once they are sure of things, they will be coming towards you. Yes, they will be coming back. And then bottom of the deck, we do have the Ten of Pentacles. I do see you ending up together basically. So wow, this person is definitely going to come back to you for sure. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. Let's see. So this card wants to come up. New opportunities. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light. Maybe this person is doing exactly that right now. The things that they don't want to exist in this connection, maybe because there has been a past between the two of you. Maybe you were a bit too demanding. Maybe you were not adding stability to their life. Maybe you were kind of wanting them to spend more time with you, which they cannot right now. So maybe they are trying to understand those things. So imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Now, they might be like, considering some sort of what can be done in this situation to get what you want. First, those of you who are watching it, maybe you need to understand that there are still things that can be worked out within this connection. especially if you could control your mind, control your thoughts around this connection. Maybe you feel like, maybe this person is too busy with something else, they don't have enough time for you. Deep down, you have no idea how badly this person craves for you, equally and mutually as you do for them. So try to understand that there could be a better possibility of having a better thought around this connection. Maybe trying that will also help you in this connection. Let's take oracle card from this deck. Let's see what it has to add to the read for my fishies. Will they come back to you? Let's find out. Okay, this card wants to come up. Playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. It's very important for you to add fun in your life. Add fun within this connection. Maybe because of your person maybe going through a lot, so they need some fun in their life. If you could add that fun in their life, trust me, they will be more than happy that you did. For some of you, maybe you have to be patient with your person a bit, especially if and when you start talking to each other. You have to be kind of understanding towards this person if you want to. Now, while you being understanding towards this person, you can always manifest the changes in that person. Use scripting, use visualization, where you always think of them. Even if they are busy with their work, you have to think as if this person is always having you in their mind, like, as if they cannot take your image out of their mind. Even if they are doing their work, they are smiling, thinking of your messages. Add some smiles, happiness in this person's life. Try to be more playful around this person, around this connection. The more you do so, the more you are going to get and find that this person is feeling attracted to you. So again, try to think positive thoughts. Don't think of the thoughts that used to bother you, stress you around this connection. Maybe they don't have time, maybe they have no love for me. Things like that needs to be avoided right now, so you could attract the kind of love that you want with your specific someone. Let's take one card from this pile, from this deck. Let's see what it has to add to the read. Relationship harmony. We angels are opening the hearts of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved now. Again, as you focus on what can be done, as you understand that this person could be busy as well, things will start getting better. As you change your mindset, as you start dissolving the negative, unwanted thoughts around this person, around this connection, your connection with your specific someone will start getting back to normal. Plus, with some sort of playfulness added to the connection, it's just gonna get even better. It's very important for you to start having fun thoughts around this person. The more you do that, the more your person is gonna feel the need to come back to you quick. They will be coming back, but yes, if you add these small little changes in your thought pattern, in the way you think of this person, in the way you desire what shall be happening in this connection. Don't focus on what is current reality right now. Whatever it is, you know that already. You don't have to stay focused on that. Stay focused on the things that you want to manifest with your specific someone that will bring you what you desire with your person. So yeah, this pretty much it comes up for my fishes. If the reading resonated with you, do like, share and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. You can also check the description box for the details on the services that I offer, which includes scripting, affirmations and much more. So yeah, till I do the next reading, take care. Bye bye.